Meanwhile, on our reports, every year on May 12th, the International Day of Plant Health is celebrated to emphasize the vital role that plant health plays in ensuring the safety of trade, environmental preservation, and worldwide food security. Within the framework of One Health, it highlights the connections between the health of humans, animals, and plants. However, climate change, the spread of diseases and pests, and the requirements for efficient and sustainable pest management techniques are some of the issues affecting plant health. Our correspondent, Miracle Odungayo, has more on this report.
May 12th is the National Day of Plant Health in 2025. Aims to increase public awareness of the significance of plant health. The week-long event, which runs from 5th of May to 12th of May, has One Health as a central topic. More than 30 organizations work together to celebrate the day, which is dedicated to preserving the well-being of the country's trees and plants. People around the world are reminded of how crucial plant health is to maintaining food security, encouraging sustainable agriculture, and safeguarding ecosystems. The need of shielding plants from pests, illnesses, and other dangers is also emphasized on this day.
National Day of Plant Health is a special day that is carefully selected by the United Nations, and which is always May 12th of every year. And this day is a day of which is used to educate people or the masses in general, so that they can be able to know the importance of plants in our environment.
I'm very glad to be part of this program. That means the Plant Health Day, because it gives me opportunity to educate people on the need to have a healthy plant. Not only having plants, but having a healthy plant, because a diseased plant can cause diseases to mankind. And when you have a healthy plant, you have a healthy people, and at the same time a healthy environment. That's why I'm happy to be part of this program.
The importance of plant health in one's health is the theme for the 2025 International Day of Plant Health, which is honored on the 12th of May. This theme emphasizes how plant health is related to the health of people, animals, and the environment.
Plant health in one's health. When there's a saying that says we are what we eat, and plant is the main source of food for all organisms on earth. And when we imbibe healthy plants, it makes us healthy. So the importance of plants to one's health is when we imbibe good plants, healthy plants, we become healthy individual, the society becomes healthy, and the world at large.
Let's look at the health. We normally say an apple in a day saves you from visiting a doctor all the time. Not even an apple in a day. A healthy apple in a day saves you from what? From a doctor, because it will devour you to increase your immunity. It will increase your immunity to the extent that you don't need to go to the doctors. If you eat healthy plants, if you eat healthy fruits, if you look at the fruits, the food we are having now, because they are chemicalized, we use chemical to produce them. We use herbicide to produce them. Immediately you cook them, you discover that it is watery, especially the vegetables. That's why it is good to let our people know the importance of this plant health.
Plant health in Nigeria is facing significant challenges, particularly due to deforestation and climate change, impacting both the environment and the people. This leads to the loss of traditional medicinal plants, reduced agricultural yields, and broader ecological consequences. These factors are leading to a rise in plant diseases and pests, impacting crop yields, food security, and the global economy.
Plant health in Nigeria, at the moment, we can see that our country has not been given maximum attention or the needed attention to this sector called agricultural science, because they feel it's not really necessary. And due to this, there have been reduction in the health, in the good health of plants in our nation. For example, we can see that there are deforestation has been occurring on a regular basis, and due to this, there have been reduction in plants that are herbal or medical, that are medicinal, so to humans. So, and as time goes on, if care is not taken, we discover that we will depend more on all these artificial medicines more than our herbal medicines, which is more nutritional than or more health beneficial than that of all these artificial medicines.
The second one is to introduce integrated pest management. Our problem as far as plants is concerned is pests and diseases. And when we use chemicals on these pests and diseases, indirectly it is affecting us, because the plants will take part of those pests, and they may be toxic to the body. And if they are toxic to the body, they are the ones causing these diseases that we need to manage till death, and it reduces lifespan. But if we can involve integrated plant nutrition management, integrated pest nutrition, pest management, it will reduce the adverse effects of these chemicals and makes us live longer.
A diverse strategy is required to enhance plant health, support food security, encourage sustainable agriculture, and protect the environment in Nigeria and around the world. This entails putting money into research and development, putting sustainable agricultural method into reality, and raising awareness and educating people. Miracle Oduayo reporting for KAFTAN Television News.